All right, so we are doing our module four end of the module assessment. Make sure, well, I'm going to read it for you, that you know exactly what you're answering for each question and just do the best that you can do. I believe that you will do awesome. Okay, so remember to put your name, and also remember that you can pause this video at any time to go back and re-listen. So the first one says Sarah has the rectangle on the left. Sorry, Sarah says the rectangle on the left has the same area as the sum of the two on the right. Pam says they do not have the same areas. What is the area of box A? A is blank square units. So in your answer, you need to tell me the area of A. The next one, you need to tell me the area of B, just B. What is the area of B? Then you need to tell me the area of C. What is the area of just C? Then it's asking you who is correct. Is Sarah correct or is Pam correct? Sarah says the rectangle on the left has the same area as the sum of the two on the right. Pam says they do not have the same areas. So you just told me who was correct. Now you need to explain in words why that person is correct that you chose. So you're typing out an answer for why that person is correct. Okay, remember we talked about this one yesterday. Remember, you are choosing 3, not just 1, 3. So you need to choose the 3 possible arrays that can make 32 square units. So basically, you're finding the 3 arrays that equals 36 as the area. Pick 3 of them. Then for this next one, you need to tell me what 3 equations you could use to equal 36. So what times what equals 36? And make sure that you can look up here and see what you did, which ones you used for 36, and find what times what equals 36. The next one says Mr. and Mrs. Johnson are buying a new house. They are deciding between the 2 floor plans below. What is the area of house A? Fill in the blank. House A is blank square meters. So you need to tell me how many meters house A is. So you're finding the total area, just the shaded part. The next one, you need to find the area of house B, just the shaded part. So find the area. Remember for these, what can you do to find the area of them? Hint, hint, split it into separate rectangles and use what you know about the different sides to help you figure out the answers. And then the very last question is you just need to tell me which house has a greater area. So from what you just found, which of these houses, house A or house B, has the greater area? All right, that is the last question. Make sure you go back and check your work to see if what you picked was correct. And then once you think it is, then you can hit submit and you are done with your test. Good job.